Breathing. It's great. It feels so good. If you're watching this video, you're probably breathing right now. Oh, it's not great? Congestion. Not breathing properly hurts. Look at this guy holding his eyes. He's trying to tell you that he's congested to emphasize his pain. Good job, Circles. If you suffer from congestion, you have two options. Stop breathing, which is not really an option, or use a steam device. Yes, those blender things. They're big. Too big to carry everywhere and maintain a constant treatment. Meet Avya, a steam device with two main advantages. It uses thick particles of steam that cannot penetrate through the walls of the nose into the sinuses. Avya's nanoparticles are less than 5 microns. These microparticles can easily penetrate beyond the nasal wall and into the sinus cavities, clearing everything that stops you from getting your best breathing. In just 10 minutes, you'll be breathing clear. All you need to do is add saline, adjust the temperature, and then place the nozzle under your nose. Here's the guy from before. After he used Avya, now he's showing you that he's breathing great. No circles around his mouth. Thanks to Avya's adjustable temperature control, if you feel your steam needs to be warmer, then, well, adjust it. And since Avya is smaller, you can take it and use it anywhere. Breathe clearly in the office, in the park, breathe as you bike. Yeah, you can go back to doing sports, because Avya is light enough to carry anywhere. Besides clearing congestion, Avya can be used orally to humidify vocal cords, dampen a dry throat, or just improve breathing in general. Oh look, a surfer guy. He doesn't have any congestion, just wants to breathe better. Avya is created by Medical, a long-standing company in the field of respiratory devices. In its essence, Avya is patent-pending tech created with a component portable, easy-to-use, all-around perfect device. So if you too feel that better breathing can improve your life, breathing. It's great. It feels so good. If you're watching this video, you're probably breathing right now. No, it's not great? Congestion. Not breathing properly hurts. Look at this guy holding his eyes. He's trying to tell you that he's congested and aches all over. We even added circles behind him to emphasize his pain. Good job, Circles. If you suffer from congestion, you have two options. Stop breathing, which is not really an option, or use a steam device. Yes, those blender-looking things. They're big. Too big to carry everywhere and maintain a constant treatment. Meet Avya, a steam device with two main advantages. It uses nanoparticles for the most effective sinus allergy and congestion treatment, and it's portable. What's nano steam? It's steam downsized to the smallest particles possible. While a typical steam inhaler produces thick particles of steam that cannot penetrate through the walls of the nose into the sinuses, Avya's nanoparticles are less than 5 microns. These microparticles can easily penetrate beyond the nasal walls and into the sinus cavities, clearing everything that stops you from getting your best breathing. In just 10 minutes, you'll be breathing clearly. All you need to do is add saline, adjust the temperature, and then place the nozzle under your nose. Here's the guy from before. After he used Avya, now he's showing you that he's breathing great. No circles around him now. Thanks to Avya's adjustable temperature controls, if you feel your steam needs to be warmer, then, well, just adjust it. And since Avya is small enough to fit any bag, and it's also chargeable, you can take it and use it anywhere. Breathe clearly in the office, in the park, breathe as you bike. Yeah, you can go back to doing sports, because Avya is light enough to carry anywhere. Besides clearing congestion, Avya can be used orally to humidify vocal cords, dampen a dry throat, or just improve breathing in general. Oh look, surf sports, because Avya is light enough to carry anywhere. Besides clearing congestion, Avya can be used orally to humidify vocal cords, dampen a dry throat, or just improve breathing in general. Oh look, a surfer guy. He doesn't have any congestion, just wants to breathe better. Avya is created by Medical, a long-standing company in the field of respiratory devices. In its essence, Avya is patent-pending tech created with the components of an already working system, but measured down to a portable, easy-to-use, all-around perfect device. So if you too feel that better breathing can improve your life, get Avya.